Hi, welcome to Analog Voice, and in this video I would like to talk to you about looking at the voice as one unit. Like a pyramid, big on bottom, thin on top. Students who are just starting out to learn how to sing, go on YouTube, look at all these videos, chest voice, head voice, mixed voice. It could get really confusing. You'll be doing an exercise in chest voice, you'll be wondering, am I in head voice? Did I get into mixed voice? It really could get confusing. When a new student comes to me, what's important for me is for them to know the mechanics of how the voice works and how to get through the break area or the passaggio, the passageway. To get the hard part out of the way. Especially those who are starting out usually sing, and then when they get to their bridge, they are pulling, they're screaming, they're trying to get into those high notes. What's important for me is to teach a student how to get through that break area. I'm not concerned with pitch. Everything will fall into place with time. Try to look at the voice as one unit. Big on bottom, thin on top. You go up, you ascend, it thins out. When you descend, it fattens up. You want to concentrate on resonance. Take your hand, put it on your chest, and go, ha! You will feel resonance in the chest area. Now this resonance will shift the higher you go. It's important that you concentrate on this resonance and how it feels. Try to not think about chest voice, head voice, mixed voice. Just try to think about the resonance. We will be doing an exercise like this. Mom, 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 mom. Now, when we are doing this exercise, try to make the top note quieter and try to cry into the sound when you are getting into your break or passaggio. I will let you know. Go as high as you can. Do not push. Ready? Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Good. Mom, 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 mom. Cry a little bit. Mom, 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 mom. Kind of sob into the sound. Mom, 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 mom. And try to fall back into a fatter sound. Mom, 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 mom. Mom, 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 mom. Great. You're doing good. Sob into it. Mom, 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 mom. A. Mom, 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 mom. B flat. B. Go as high as you can. C. Mom, 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 mom. Really sob into it. Mom, 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 mom. And D. Mom, 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 mom. Never push. Try to sob into the sound. Try to cry into the sound so that you can hold everything down. Anyway, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell to be alerted when a new video is available. Also, if you live in the New York area, I take beginners and I also teach through Skype. Anyway, see you in the next video.